Start by recording a new video or selecting a video from your camera library. Preview the video, and once you're happy, press choose. The video will load into the app. Now, type your text or copy text from another location or another app. Paste your text. Now you can size your text, which automatically sizes the background of the ticker. You can choose a text color and you can choose a ticker background color. Don't choose the same for each or you won't be able to see your text. Change the ticker opacity, which changes the transparency of the ticker background. Crawl speed is how fast your text will animate. Ticker loop is set to 0 by default. Text will loop infinitely unless you change this number. Remember, there is a relationship between the amount of text and the length of the video. Press the eye icon to preview your composition. If you're happy, press the download to save your video to your photo library, or the back arrow to go back and edit. The help icon will tell you more.